My earliest memories were ones of absolutely no acceptance for being gay. I even remember my parents controlling the way I talked and walked in an effort to not appear feminine. It was a childhood that just felt very suppressed and trapped. I'm Hyram Yarbo, and I am the founder of Selfless by Hyram. My brand for me was an opportunity to connect skincare and social change. Every single ingredient was mindfully and sustainably sourced. I was first a makeup artist before getting into skincare, and first discovered my passion for makeup actually through Sephora. Growing up, I had been told that, makeup and cosmetics are for girls, and I remember being nervous walking into Sephora because I didn't know what people would think of me. And the second I walked in, it made me feel so welcomed and so included. And I remember going home and putting on the tinted moisturizer, and when I looked in the mirror, it was the first time in my entire life that I felt beautiful. It was the first time that I saw my own beauty. Up until that point, looking in the mirror and seeing myself had always been a reminder of how much I hated myself. I grew up in a really religious household on a cattle ranch. From an early age, I remember, loving princess movies and dolls and being heavily criticized for that. So growing up was a constant fear of expressing myself. It was made very clear by my parents that I would not be accepted by them if I was to be gay. And while on the outside, the persona that I presented was very happy, was very, studious and religious, the person who I truly was that was hidden away was just in a very, very dark place. I struggled with an eating disorder, and I had a moment where I tried to end it all. Growing up in a toxic household left me at a point where I realized that I would not be able to continue having a relationship with them. Moving to Hawaii was my beautiful escape. I was able to discover my passion for skincare. I started my channel in 2017 just as a way to help educate people about skincare, and started as just a simple idea, and when 2020 began, that's really when it exploded. In creating this brand, Selfless by Hyram, I had an opportunity to really create something that could be more than just a skincare brand. It could be a movement. So just by purchasing a Selfless by Hyram product, you are either providing one person with clean drinking water for 1 year, or you are protecting forests from deforestation. I began working with chemists, developing formulas, and I've been so fortunate to be able to partner with the Inky list. And it's been incredible to see what has been able to be developed, created, and now launched through Sephora. It's hard not to get emotional. After a lifetime of suppression and being told that I was never going to amount to anything or achieve anything, it was the first time I really felt like I had accomplished something. I no longer feel angry, I no longer feel upset. I'm able to live as authentically as I want to and feel peace for the first time in my life. Keep dreaming. Dream as big as you possibly can, and know that the life that you've always dreamed of is in front of you.